I'm making all this smaller and sharper. My intention is to create the IonPlasma blue frame. I'm going to make the hole smaller this time using this. This is much smaller than the previous one. I've made some changes to this setup. No more fancy setup, just this. And then when I turn on, you will hear there's a hissing sound. And it's blowing this side. It's blowing towards the sharp edges. I thought it's the other way, but it's blowing this side. It's going in. So it's going this side. What if I put here? Oh, now it's blowing this side. It's wonderful. It's funny. Let's try again in the darkness. The background is black. Let's see if you can see any blue flame. Can you see? A little bit there. This test is better than the previous one. This is the best I can do. It's about more than 1 cm. I couldn't get it to go closer than 1 cm. It will have bigger sparks. So if I do like this, you see it's blowing this side. It's blowing to the right. See, if it's too close, it will give off spark. It's difficult to look when it's very bright and you have to do it in the darkness. So this is my test. 1 battery and 1000 kilowatt pulse high voltage generator. The last test I want to do is whether it will light a match or a candle. It doesn't light a candle. Let's try a match. It feels hot, but it doesn't burn the match. Beautiful.
要关注我的视频，点击 subscribe。
Accident,